Hey, this is Jasper from the Damme company. In this video, I'm going to tell you a bit about our stationary, low-pressure, high-flow pump. This is a setup for people looking for high rinsing power, to be able to spray things off quickly, but for the rougher work. So, think of tractors, agricultural vehicles, earth-moving machinery. On the other hand, for surfaces, for example, stables and in the food industry, to spray off floors quickly, safely, and with great rinsing power. Here, you're not really looking for the impact of high pressure, but rather for rinsing away. In combination with a stainless steel hose reel, you can spray off all machines in a safe, quick way. This setup consists of three parts: the pump on the frame with the electrical cabinet and the 2,000-liter buffer tank. Those two items are located in the technical room, and the third component is the hose reel with a fire hose nozzle. That is located in the wash area. The heart of this machine is a 7.5 kilowatt centrifugal pump. This delivers a maximum of 400 liters per minute and 13 bar. In practice, it will come down to about 11 bar and 200 liters per minute. The advantage of the centrifugal pump is that it is maintenance-free, so no periodic maintenance is required, and especially in combination with the safety features we install, you can use the machine worry-free for years. How does this setup work? We place a 2,000-liter tank. That is a buffer tank. This is where the water enters. A float switch is provided to monitor whether the tank is full or empty. That then goes via a hose to the centrifugal pump. This is where the pressure is increased. That then goes via a hose to a stainless steel reel, in this case a 25-meter reel combined with a 1-inch hose. And then it goes to a fire nozzle where the water comes out. Because the pump provides so much flow, meaning liters per minute, you always need a buffer tank. It ensures that you always have enough water available to keep the pump working properly. It is essential that two things are always properly regulated, so that the tank is never too full, because then it will overflow, or that the tank is never too empty, because then the pump could run dry. We have already thought about that. There is a float switch built in, so the moment the level gets too low, the pump automatically shuts off. If the level gets too high, there is a compressed air valve that ensures no more water enters, so the level is always exactly right. At Damme, we choose quality. In practice, it has been shown that a compressed air valve is the most reliable. Much more reliable than, for example, a solenoid valve or a regular float. It's almost a shame that it's installed in a technical room behind the scenes, because it's a setup that deserves to be seen. Everything built on a nice frame, neatly done with industrial piping. This is heavy duty. The machine has a number of safety features. Water protection, so the moment there is too little water, the machine shuts down. Motor protection, if the motor gets too hot for some reason, it also shuts down, and then these lights will turn on. You can turn on the power, you can stop it, and you can start it. So all the technical equipment is in a technical room. This is the part that is in the wash area. Nobody wants to go to the technical room before they want to wash. So you can also turn the pump on and off using a remote control. After all that explanation, it's time to start spraying down. You press the start button, the machine kicks in. You can see there's quite a bit of pressure on it. You pull out the hose and just start spraying. For some companies, it really is a huge time-saving solution. You can quickly rinse off a huge number of square meters in a safe way. It is also an ideal solution in livestock barns. Because of the high flow rate, you can work all the dirt to one side and it will never come back. You can spray in two ways. The lever forward, you have a more compact jet. With the lever back, you have a wider jet. An additional advantage if a fire ever breaks out. You will be able to solve it with this. Cleaning is a profession in itself. At Damme, we always try to advise you as best as possible on which solution best fits which application. This is a very good solution for hosing down coarse dirt. But for the real detail work, you still need cleaning agent and a high-pressure cleaner. Just look. Are you the company that needs high flushing power for the heavy-duty work? Then definitely call us for this solution. Do you have more of a need for detailed cleaning work? Then call us for a high-pressure cleaner in combination with soap or hot water.